Title: Creating Stunning YouTube Videos with Pictory.AI, a step-by-step guide. Host: H. Hey there, fellow content creators. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting topic that's going to elevate your YouTube game. We'll be showing you the ropes of creating captivating videos using the power of Pictory.AI. Whether you're a seasoned YouTuber or just starting out, this guide will help you craft stunning videos that stand out from the crowd. Segment 1. Introduction to Pictory.AI. First things first, let's get acquainted with Pictory.AI. It's a cutting-edge platform that combines AI technology with creative tools to streamline your video production process. With its user-friendly interface and powerful features, Pictory.AI is a game-changer for content creators. Segment 2. Getting started. Alright, let's roll up our sleeves and start creating. After signing into your Pictory.AI account, you'll land on the dashboard. Here, you'll find a range of options to kickstart your video project. 1. Choose a template. Pictory.AI offers a variety of templates catering to different video styles and genres. Pick one that aligns with your content's vibe. 2. Import your media. You can seamlessly import your video clips, images, and audio tracks into the platform. Pictory.AI supports a wide range of formats, making the uploading process a breeze. Segment 3. Crafting your video. Now comes the fun part, crafting your video using Pictory.AI's creative features. 1. AI-powered editing. Pictory.AI's AI algorithms can automatically arrange your clips in a coherent sequence, saving you time on tedious editing tasks. 2. Enhancements and effects. Elevate your visuals with a range of filters, effects, and color adjustments. Make your content pop and leave a lasting impression. 3. Voiceover and soundtracks. Easily add voiceovers to narrate your story or choose from Pictory.AI's library of royalty-free music to set the mood. Segment 4. Fine-tuning and personalization. Attention to detail is key to making your video truly yours. 1. Clip arrangement. Drag and drop clips to rearrange the sequence. Ensure a smooth flow that keeps your viewers engaged. 2. Text and titles. Introduce sections with eye-catching text overlays. Use Pictory.AI's text tools to customize fonts, colors, and animations. Segment 5. Exporting your masterpiece. With your video polished and ready, it's time to export and share it with the world. 1. Preview. Take a final run-through of your video using Pictory.AI's preview feature. Make any last-minute tweaks if needed. 2. Export settings. Select your desired resolution and format. Whether you're uploading in 1080p or 4K, Pictory.AI ensures top-notch quality. Segment 6. Conclusion. Voila! That's a wrap on our guide to creating incredible YouTube videos with Pictory.AI. The platform's AI capabilities and creative tools provide an edge that'll undoubtedly set your content apart. So go ahead, give it a shot, and let your creativity shine. Before we sign off, remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep creating and keep inspiring. Take care. Outro. Thank you for watching our tutorial on using Pictory.AI to craft amazing YouTube videos. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or if you'd like to see more tutorials like this, let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Until next time, happy creating!